Tributes are being organized across Assam today on the birthday of Assam's legendary singer, composer, artist Zubin Garg. We are at the cremation site of Zubin Garg. This is the first birthday of the artist after his death on September 19 in Singapore. And you can see his fans have been coming here at his cremation site since last midnight. In thousands they are coming out. Emotions are once again pouring out across Assam. There have been several tributes which have been organized by civil society groups, by individuals, by artist forums, and also not to forget the political parties. In fact, you can see here young and old, everybody here at the Zubin Khetra or the Zubin cremation site, where they have turned out in large numbers. People have come with the Assamese Gamusa. They have come with flowers. They're paying their tribute to their dearest singer composer at a time when Zubin's movie Roy Roy Binale is being featured across cinema halls and multiplexes in Assam since the beginning of this month. In fact, we can see here the students who have come from their colleges. They are in their uniform. They are singing Zubin's songs as a mark of tribute to the legendary singer. You can see there are a lot of students who are here. They have come from the locality. So there is a lot of tributes which is pouring in, and not only in this place, the Zubin cremation site, but also across Assam. You have people who have come out in large number. If I can ask my camera person also to come this side, we'll try to talk to some of the students here. आप लोगों से बात करना चाहेंगे. जुबिन गर्ग का आज फर्स्ट बर्थडे है, जब वो हमारे बीच नहीं रहे. आप लोग जो फैन हैं, आप लोग इस आज यहाँ पे आए हैं, कैसा मन में क्या चल रहा है आप लोग?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आज जन्मदिन उसका, तो उसको विश करने के लिए आए. नहीं है, फिर भी लग रहा है कि हम लोग के साथ ही है.
One fan saying that they are celebrating this birthday because they feel that through their celebration Zubin Garg is still alive among them. You can see here there are a lot of people who have turned out. We would like to talk to more people. You can see here there Zubin Garg's guitar has been placed there, and people are placing their flowers there. They are trying to show their respect. The people have brought gifts for him. There are flowers, there are books, there are flutes which have been given as birthday gifts. So this is the way, in a unique way, Assam is actually paying its tribute to its legendary artist who is no more. This is the first birthday of Zubin Garg after his death, and you can see here the Gen Zs of Assam singing his songs and giving him a tribute, also asking for justice for Zubin Garg. From Zubin Garg's cremation site near Sonapur, with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.